start, make a slip knot. Chain 2. Next, do 3 double crochet UK in the stitch furthest from the hook, like you would when you're doing a magic circle, except you're doing 3 stitches this time. Chain 1 and turn. You will have 3 stitches. Do 1 double crochet in the first stitch. To make the bend, do 3 double crochet in the next stitch. Do 1 double crochet in the third stitch. This stitch may be a bit tight. Chain 1 and turn. This time, do 1 double crochet in 2 stitches before you do your 3 stitches in 1. Then do 1 double crochet in the last 2 stitches. On the next row, you will do 1 double crochet in 3 stitches and 3 double crochet in the next stitch, then 1 double crochet in 3 stitches again. You will do 1 more stitch before and after your 3 double crochet in the same stitch on each row. You will have the same amount of stitches on each side. Your 3 double crochet stitch will be in the middle. That's pretty much it. You can change your colours to make it really colourful and creative. I'm going to change my colour just to show you. You could add a border when you're happy with the size. So you're ending and you're finished. Thank you for watching my video. I wanted to upload sooner, but the software I use has been playing up a lot. Please say hi in the comments section and click like on my video if you enjoyed it. Since it's getting closer to winter, I will be focusing on projects and filming less. I have the clips to edit, I just need to be able to make them into videos.